Thai-style fried bananas are a popular dessert and snack in Thailand. This recipe is very easy and simple. Taste is so delicious. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. In a mixing bowl, place 1 cup tempura batter mix. Add half cup coconut milk. Then combine well. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons limestone paste water. This will make your fried bananas more crispy. But if you don't have it, you can use club soda. Mix well. Add half cup sugar, add more if you like more sweet. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well until sugar is dissolved. Add a little bit of water. Mix well to form thick batter. Add half cup finely grated coconut. You can also use fresh or frozen grated coconut. Mix well. Add half cup non-toasted sesame seeds. The only type of banana that is used to make traditional Thai fried banana is Burro banana. But you can use any kind of banana. Bananas should be yellow all over with the tops still a bit green. They result in banana fritters that are sweet but still quite firm and not mushy after having been fried. Slice 4 pieces for 1 banana. Put slices banana into the batter. Coat it thoroughly with batter. In a medium frying pan, add cooking oil. Heat up the oil to about 350 degrees. Keep the temperature steady. Pick up 1 sliced banana at a time, and carefully lower it into the hot oil. Flip the banana pieces as necessary to achieve even browning. Fry it until banana slices are golden brown. Remove them to a strainer or a plate lined with a paper towel. Serve immediately. Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.